Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel your Amazon Music subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, go ahead, first access your Amazon Music app on your mobile phone, and right over here simply go ahead, you will be on this home section. From there simply have to access the library, and now tap on the settings icon that will be on top right. And now go ahead, tap on the settings icon again. Over here you will be able to check out this Amazon Music Unlimited section. If you have simply taken that subscription, right, you will simply be able to find that option right over here. If you have taken so, then afterwards all you have to do is go to your subscription renewal details. Then you have to tap on this cancel option that will be available. You will again receive another notification regarding the confirmation. Tap on this confirm, and then you will be able to simply cancel your subscription for Amazon Music Unlimited right over here. Make sure you have used it till you have paid, and do so, and then you're all set. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.